I'm Major Sanjay Jadhav. I'm handling the complete security and safety function for the institute. I was commissioned in Indian Army in the year 1994. Thereafter, one of my good things was I was actively participated in Kargil battle. We are basically here to protect all the physical properties and assets of organization. In that, we have manpower. As I told you, we have 24 security guard, 3 ASOs, and 1 SO. Then we have electronic security. That is, we have CCTV camera system which have been installed in important locations, and they are necessary. Challenge, not much. We work hard and solve. We might get for example, a bomb scare, that there is a bomb kept over there. But we are thoroughly prepared for any kind of emergency that can come in. And we have evaluated the complete situation, threat, hazard, and we have prepared ourselves in that way. They are not actually outsiders. They have come to assist our students, say in direction or cinematography or whichever field it is there. And whoever is coming from outside, there is an entry which is made in our register, physical register. Then we also keep their photo IDs, Xerox of photo IDs who are there. We have a ragging committee where the boards have been displayed. You can have a look at that. That will have the list of members of the ragging committee. If there is any incident of ragging happening in the campus in daytime or night time, security immediately gives the call to this members and the member come and intervene. And no such kind of ragging is actually going on. We have a different system for that. In case we have a lost and found register here. In case you lose an item and it is found by somebody and it is given here, it is noted in the register, also displayed on the notice board that such and such item has been found, you can come and pick it up. There has been no such incident actually reported. And theft inside the room is personal responsibility of the student or anybody who stayed. Because any student, say for example, you'll say a student had lost camera last time, but had he declared to security that he was holding his camera, he was putting in his room, it is there. Security doesn't have any access or responsibility inside the room. It is just the corridors and outside. We have complete management support from our superiors here, and whatever actions or security function which is taking place, there's no lack of support at all. See, any property which belongs to FTI and a government property cannot go without entering into the material gate pass register and material gate pass. If anything, say this camera has to go out of the campus,
Sir.
it will be signed by 3 people, that is the HOD,
Sir.
the holding person and me. Then only it goes out. I won't say it is a healthy practice, but see, this is a creative field and students will do that. But we have a good liaison with police out here and we have been able to stop them before the gate. We don't allow that. And also we get good student support. If we ask them to cool down, they cool down. You might say the dog should go out. Other 2 people will come, they'll say no.
You को से बहुत problem.
प्रॉब्लम सभी को है, हमें भी है.
Sir.
But a number of our students are animal activists. It's very simple for us just to call a corporation vehicle, take all the dogs inside. The biggest good thing is students. They're all supportive. Unfortunately, I have been very supportive. There are n number of sections out here, n number of departments. Close them for 15 days. Is there anything going to happen? Try and close this for 15 minutes. Problems are there, that's why we are there to solve it.